The next two studies have to do with understanding hyperphagia and appetite and satiety in PWS. The first one is from a young investigator, Dr. Dietrich at Yale University, and he's looking at the functional development of a particular class of hunger neurons in PWS. So he's examining Agrp neurons, which is a class of neurons in the hypothalamus that really drives hunger, also drives some obsessive compulsive behavior. Sounds familiar. And there's evidence that these particular neurons may be overactive in PWS, both in humans and in mice. And so his goal is to use a mouse model of PWS and state-of-the-art neurobiology techniques to determine if these neurons are overactive throughout the development of a mouse model of PWS. You know, we're excited about this project because this is an excellent young investigator who's got a lot of expertise in neurobiology. A few years ago, when we looked at the PWS, kind of the research landscape, we really felt like there was not enough young, smart neurobiologists who were studying PWS. And so we're excited to see that we've been able to support or are able to support a couple of new young investigators in the field and get them working on PWS. He is using innovative techniques and approaches. His lab is really sort of, you know, on fire. They just actually published this weekend a paper in Cell, which is really a whoop-de-doo deal in the scientific community to have a paper in Cell looking at the normal Agrp neuron function in mouse. And so he'll be applying all of that to understanding PWS. So we're excited about that. In the long term, we hope to define the altered brain circuits that are responsible for some of the most challenging behaviors in PWS, including hunger and OCD behaviors, and establish some new therapeutic avenues to pursue.